What's up everybody? This is my Craftsman box. I'm just going to do a quick toolbox tour. This is my top drawer, my personal drawer. Got some drill bits, some electrical stuff. Got some Allens, some T-handles, other T-handles. Got some sockets, all my sockets, and then my drive tools. All my wrenches. These are all Husky. I bought a huge Husky set. Empty drawer. Matco drive tools. Plier drawer. Hammers. Empty drawer. Compression tester. A bunch of air stuff. Snap-on screwdrivers. Some Craftsman pry bars. Empty drawer. That's full of junk. So there you go. In 1 minute, my Craftsman toolbox.